What are the different types of caravan brakes? Hi, I'm Christian from Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre. At our workshop, we work on all different types of braking systems on caravans. So, what are there? There are three main types of braking systems on caravans, whether it's hydraulic, mechanical, or electric. Your older caravans would have had something simple like a mechanical backing plate or a hydraulic backing plate as a source of braking system for their caravans. This has evolved over the years. We now have electric brakes, whether they're 10-inch electric or 12-inch electric. And another one that is becoming very popular now is a hydraulic caliper. So let's touch on the most common source of braking on caravans, being the electric braking system. Now, electric braking systems are, as they say, they work off electricity, 12-volt electricity, which is fed through from your tow vehicle, being your car. When you put your foot on the brake pedal in your car, it will send a feed through to a brake control unit, whether that's a Bluetooth brake control unit, whether that's an in-car mounted brake control unit, and that will determine what force is sent through, what voltage is sent through to the electric brakes and brake the caravan accordingly. Now, as I touched on earlier, more and more caravans now are going to hydraulic calipers. So how do they work? Well, obviously there's a hydraulic fluid that goes through to compress the piston and apply the brakes on the caravan. But how does it get to that stage? Well, you have an actuator, so it's a hydraulic over electric actuator, which has been fitted inside the caravan. You have an electrical feed, just like you do with electric brakes, that goes to that actuator and will apply the power needed to send or to push the brake fluid through to the calipers and apply the brakes. All this information can get daunting at times. I understand that. That's why we're here. We're here to help. We're here to fix your caravan and make sure your brakes are working every time you put your foot on the brake. If you want to know more about your brakes, or you want someone to have a look at your brakes, please get in contact with us. We're more than happy to help. You can contact us by giving us a call on 02 8544 8114 or visit our website, which is boldtcrc.com.au. Like I said, we're here to help you to make sure your next travel is safe.